How to log into your Avant.com account. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website Avant.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address you used when signing up for your Avant account. Next, type your password carefully in the password field. After filling in your details, click on the login button to access your account. If you forget your password, don't worry. Just click on the Don't Remember Your Password link below the login fields and follow the instructions to reset it. Once logged in, you can check your loan status, make payments, update your information, or apply for new loans. Now you know how to log into your Avant.com account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.